So apparently I was supposed to thin them out. Y'all knew that. And y'all been watching me make a mess of this garden. Hey y'all, I'm back with another one. So my cabbage that I'm growing out there, I'm just gonna dig those up. I'm gonna put the video showing y'all where I transplanted it. So apparently I was supposed to thin them out. Y'all knew that. And y'all been watching me make a mess of this garden. But I'm about to just start over. I got my seeds here. I'm just about to start over because my stuff look a mess. Look at me, can't even get the camera right. I'm about to start over, but I do definitely want to have cabbage, so I'm gonna do the cabbage again. What else did I want to do? I think I'm gonna just do all cabbage. Rosemary, that tomato, Swiss chard. I think this should be direct sown. I'm gonna do the chard because I like chard. And let's do the eggplant. I don't see why not. Yeah, let's do the purple eggplant. I'm so upset because it's just like, yeah, did y'all not see those little bitty things? Start this next month. I really want to do peppers, but I want to do the process that they showed me. And my peas outside are looking beautiful. I think this is what I planted. These, or either the sugar snaps. Whatever it is, they're looking beautiful. Maybe I should start some corn. This is after frost. It's cold as fuck outside. So let me stop cussing just in case. I think I put these two, the pea mammoth. Those are growing beautifully outside. Spinach. Before frost. I really want to do this kale. I really want to do this kale. I'm going to do this. That's what I'm going to do. So I got the eggplant, the chard, and the kale, and the cabbage. I'm missing a tray. I got one tray outside. Still got the pumpkin seeds in it. So I'm going to mix the Swiss and the kale. And then this one's going on here and this. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So y'all didn't tell me that I was supposed to thin out my things. Anyway, I guess I should have did my research. I thought I knew what I was doing. Well, I didn't think I knew what I was doing, but this is what I'm finna do. Next time when I see a whole bunch of little stuff popping up, I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to pull them out. And I'm going to only plant like just like one leaf, especially for the cabbage, because that's just ridiculous. Like, let me get the, probably Wednesday. But yeah, I just can't believe that. And they just are growing. I was supposed to pluck them out. You know what? I might not even use all 4 trays because I'm running out of dirt anyway. So since I want to be plucking stuff out anyway, and I'm not trying to put that much stuff outside, I'm not trying to put that much stuff outside. Because I'm gonna get ready to move anyway. So hopefully by the time I move, I'll be done had everything. Okay, that's all my dirt. Some of them done came up short. I might not even put nothing in it. We just gonna do this real quick, fast, like in a hurry. I mean, I can go outside and get some more dirt, but who has time for that? Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. Since I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 3, 6, 9, 12, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, because I'm still missing 1. What am I gonna do? I gotta think about it. Hurry up, quick. Make a decision. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, these are pretty big. The Swiss chart. So I'm gonna put 2 here and 2 here. Okay. And then my cabbage. This is why so many was growing. Look at all these little bitty seeds. There. So this is Swiss chard cabbage. This is my eggplant. I actually like eggplant. Make a good stir fry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm just put 1 in there since ain't that much dirt. We're gonna do this right this time, y'all, because this is so little. 1, 2, 1. Oh, about 3. There we go. We're gonna do this right this time. I'm gonna spray that like that. Probably go outside and get a little bit more dirt. Put on top. I'm gonna just get the dirt from outside. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this turns out better, and when I start getting my stuff to germinate, I'm gonna do the right thing this time and actually thin out the seedlings so that it's only one like little stem of leaf, and apparently that's supposed to help make the root go around. And then I'm not putting as much water as last time. Remember last time it came out and the tray was soaking wet. I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to spray it and then go from there. And hopefully this works out better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Do it, please.